Hello everyone, welcome to my coffee channel. In this video, I will show you about a few of how to make hot coffee and latte art. Making latte art is a fun and creative way to add a personal touch to your coffee. Here are the basic steps to make latte art. 1. Start by brewing a shot of espresso and steaming milk. You can use any type of milk, but whole milk works best for latte art. 2. Pour the steamed milk into the espresso shot, holding the pitcher at a slight angle. 3. Use a spoon to hold back the foam and pour the milk in a circular motion, starting from the center of the cup and moving outward. 4. Once the cup is about 3/4 full, move the pitcher closer to the surface of the coffee and pour a thin stream of milk into the center of the cup. 5. Use a toothpick or a latte art tool to create designs in the foam. You can make hearts, rosettas, or any other design you like. 6. Serve and enjoy your beautiful latte art creation. Remember, making latte art takes practice and patience. Don't get discouraged if your first attempts don't turn out perfectly. Keep practicing and experimenting with different techniques until you find what works best for you. Now let's see my pour from cup to cup of latte art. Thank you for watching in this video. I hope you like and enjoy it.